How to see who viewed your Facebook profile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on the profile icon. So here, make sure that you have your account over here. Now what you need to do is simply turn into professional mode. So tap on turn on professional mode and make sure you have a professional account, because to see who has viewed your Facebook profile in a personal account is not possible. So just agree to all of these options over here, confirm, and now we can just go back and check it. So let's just start this whole process, and after this we're going to tap on next again and next. Then tap on skip and then go to professional dashboard. So here what we're going to do is go back to our profile and refresh the page, and here simply tap on the three lines over here. Now scroll down and here you can see different options over here, but we want to see who has viewed our profile, so just tap on professional dashboard and then tap on insights, and here you'll be able to see all the followers, all the visits, all the views that has been done on your Facebook profile. But unfortunately we will not be able to see who has viewed our Facebook profile. We can only see the number of people that have viewed. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.